supremely intelligent, with a hair-raising appearance, he is everyone's favorite blue-furred scientist. Let's get to know Hank McCoy, the acrobatic Beast. Like his fellow X-Men, the Beast is a mutant, which means he was born with an X gene that gave him amazing abilities. Already a genius, Henry Hank McCoy gained mutant powers during his teen years. He was gifted with longer arms and legs that made his agility, dexterity, and strength almost unmatched. Whether it's climbing walls, leaping from rooftop to rooftop, or just hanging upside down, the Beast could give Spider-Man himself a run for his money. Initially, Hank struggled, feeling like an outcast, resented for his unusual appearance. It wasn't until Professor X found him and brought him into his school for gifted youngsters that our boisterous, bounding Beast found his true calling as one of the X-Men. From his earliest days with the X-Men, Beast carved out a place for himself as the team's medic, science whiz, and comic relief. Because who doesn't need a laugh after a tough training session in the Danger Room? Add to the fact that Hank was already fluent in numerous languages and has extensive knowledge in, well, basically any subject you can think of, from science to math to art history and everything in between. He had just as much brains as brawn. Never one to shy away from a joke, Hank keeps even the scariest situations light with his quick wit. Forever a scientist first, the Beast's experiments were often helpful, sometimes surprising, and occasionally even transformative. After drinking an experimental serum he'd created, the Beast found himself changing completely. Now covered in blue fur, with claws for fingers and toes, the Beast had started living up to his code name. But don't worry, the change didn't make him blue. Well, that is to say, luckily the change did little to dim his cheerful outlook. But okay, yes, it did turn him blue. The furry version of Beast has even teamed up with other superheroes like the Avengers, alongside Iron Man, Thor, and Hawkeye. Whether blue and furry, cat-like or not, from within a lab or on the battlefield, Avenger or X-Man, the Beast finds a way to use his one-in-a-million brain to help his teammates save the day. And he does it with a wink and a smile.